Imagine waking up every day feeling completely unstoppable, knowing you have the power to shape your life exactly the way you want. Now, I know this might sound too good to be true, but what if I told you this power isn't some far-off fantasy? In fact, it's already inside you, waiting to be discovered and activated. Intrigued? Stay with me because today, we're diving deep into how you can awaken the divine power within you to create the life you've always dreamed of. Welcome back to the Power of Thought channel. Today, we're embarking on a transformative journey to discover a truth that can completely change the way you approach life. There's a hidden power within you, something incredibly profound yet so simple that it's been overlooked by many. This isn't just a vague spiritual idea. It's a practical, life-altering understanding of how you can tap into the universal energy that has always been yours. We'll explore how you can use this divine power not just to survive, but to thrive, to manifest success, joy, health, and abundance in every area of your life. This concept isn't new. In fact, it's been around for centuries, and yet so few people are aware of its true potential. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable tools and techniques that will help you unlock this hidden power, making the impossible feel possible. Dr. Ernest Holmes, a pioneering thinker in the field of spiritual philosophy, had an extraordinary insight. There's a divine power, a cosmic energy, within each of us. This power is not some mystical force that we have to earn or strive for. It's innate, a part of who we are. Holmes called this the mind of God, and he explained that it's not something external, something distant or separate from us. This divine energy is within you, right now, waiting to be accessed. You might be wondering, if I have this God-given power, why haven't I noticed it before? That's a great question. The truth is, most of us go through life disconnected from our true potential because we've never been taught how to tap into this power. But just like you don't need to understand the mechanics of electricity to flip a switch and light up a room, you don't need to fully comprehend the vastness of this divine power to start using it. Once you learn how to access it, it's as simple and natural as turning on a light. And the results? They can illuminate every part of your life. Holmes believed that this power could be used to solve any problem, big or small, and to manifest your deepest desires. Whether you're looking to improve your finances, heal your relationships, or find peace in your daily life, the divine energy within you can help you achieve it. This isn't wishful thinking. It's about aligning yourself with the flow of universal energy and letting it work through you. One of Dr. Holmes' most revolutionary ideas was that we are all connected to the mind of God. Now, that might sound like a bold statement, but let's break it down. Think about gravity for a moment. You can't see it, you can't touch it, and yet you know it's there. Gravity keeps you grounded, it holds the planets in orbit, and it influences everything in the physical universe. You don't have to understand the complexities of how gravity works to benefit from it. In the same way, the mind of God is an infinite intelligence, a universal force that pervades everything. You can't see it directly, but you can feel its influence in your life. Dr. Holmes taught that we're not just connected to this force, we are expressions of it. Imagine the mind of God as a vast ocean, and each of us is a wave on that ocean. We're individual and unique, but we're also made of the same essence, and we're connected to the greater whole. This connection isn't something you need to strive for. It's already present. The key is learning how to consciously tap into this divine wisdom and allow it to guide your thoughts, decisions, and actions. When you understand this concept, life begins to feel different. Instead of feeling isolated and separate, you start to realize that you are part of something much bigger, an infinite intelligence that is constantly working on your behalf. This isn't about following any particular religious doctrine. It's about recognizing that you have access to a higher level of wisdom and guidance, one that can help you navigate every aspect of your life. The same life force that causes a seed to grow into a tree, that heals a wound, and that keeps the planets in orbit, is flowing asterisk through you right now. This energy isn't just about biological life. It's the creative force behind everything in the universe. Whether it's a new idea, a work of art, or a scientific breakthrough, this life force is always at work, driving creation and evolution forward. Here's where it gets really exciting. This life force is not something you have to earn or work for. It's already a part of you, simply by virtue of your existence. You are a living, breathing expression of this universal energy, and you have the ability to direct it toward your goals and desires. Most of us go through life using only a fraction of this potential. It's like owning the most advanced smartphone in the world, but only using it to make phone calls. Imagine if you suddenly discovered all the other incredible features and apps at your disposal. This is what happens when you start tapping into the life force within you. You begin to unlock new levels of creativity, intuition, and manifestation power that you never knew you had. Now that we've explored the concept of the divine mind and the life force, let's talk about how you can start using these principles in your everyday life. Here are some practical steps you can take to tap into this power. 1. Focus on solutions, not problems. When faced with challenges, it's easy to get caught up in what's going wrong. But instead of saying, "I have a problem," try shifting your mindset to, "I have an opportunity to grow, and I trust that divine guidance will show me the way." This simple shift in perspective opens up new possibilities. When you focus on solutions, you align yourself with the flow of the universe, allowing answers and opportunities to come to you more easily. 2. Daily connection practice. Set aside time each day to connect with the divine energy within you. This could be through meditation, prayer, journaling, or simply sitting in silence and reflecting. The form doesn't matter as much as the intention. During this time, quiet your mind and open yourself to divine guidance. You might be surprised by the insights and ideas that come to you when you create space for them. 3. Positive affirmations. Your thoughts are incredibly powerful. By consciously choosing positive thoughts and affirmations, you align yourself more closely with the energy of the divine mind. Try starting each day with affirmations like, "I am connected to infinite wisdom and power," or "Divine guidance flows through me, showing me the perfect solution to every situation." These affirmations help to rewire your subconscious mind, allowing you to attract more positive experiences into your life. 4. Trust the process. It's important to remember that the divine mind doesn't distinguish between big and small problems. Everything is equally manageable from the perspective of infinite wisdom. Trust that the answers you need are already there, waiting for you to discover them. This trust itself is a powerful force that opens doors and creates opportunities. 5. Act on your intuition. As you practice connecting with the divine mind, you'll likely notice that your intuition becomes sharper. You might experience aha moments or gut feelings that seem to come out of nowhere. Don't dismiss these. These could be divine guidance showing you the next step on your path. Trust your instincts and act on them, even if they don't always make logical sense at first. 6. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful ways to align yourself with the positive flow of life. Take time each day to appreciate the good in your life, no matter how small. Gratitude puts you in a state of receptivity, making it easier for more blessings and solutions to come your way. 7. Visualize your desired outcome. The power of imagination is one of the greatest gifts we have. Spend time each day visualizing your life as you want it to be. Imagine your goals already achieved and feel the emotions of success, joy, and fulfillment. This isn't just daydreaming. It's a powerful way to communicate your desires to the universe and align yourself with the life force. Let's address the elephant in the room. Life's challenges can be tough. Whether it's financial struggles, relationship issues, or health problems, we all face difficulties that seem overwhelming at times. But here's where the teachings of Dr. Holmes can be truly transformative. Instead of seeing challenges as insurmountable obstacles, start viewing them as opportunities to express the divine wisdom within you. For example, if you're facing financial difficulties, you might find yourself inspired with new ideas for income, or you may be guided to make a connection with someone who can help you. These aren't coincidences. They are the result of aligning yourself with the infinite intelligence of the universe. By practicing the steps we've discussed, you'll start to notice that new ideas, opportunities, and unexpected solutions will begin to appear. This isn't magic. It's the natural result of tuning into the divine flow of life. Now that you know the power is already inside you, it's time to take action. Here's my challenge for you. Pick just one of the practices we discussed today. Whether it's daily meditation, positive affirmations, or visualizing your goals, commit to practicing it consistently for the next week. See what happens and watch how your life begins to shift. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery. Remember, the divine power within you is limitless. Use it, trust it, and watch your life transform. Until next time, stay blessed.